In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you, as an agent, can set your status to online or offline in Zendesk, whether you're using the agent workspace, chat and messaging, or voice channels. This process is essential if you want to manage your availability effectively while handling customer interactions. Setting your status communicates to your team and Zendesk's system when you're ready to take on tasks or when you need some downtime. Let's take a closer look at how you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, let's dive into the agent workspace, which is where many of you will spend a significant portion of your time. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a status drop-down, often situated near your avatar. This is the control panel for your availability. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal your status options. Here, you can select online if you're ready and available to engage with incoming tasks or chats. Alternatively, you can choose offline if you need to take a break or focus on other activities without being interrupted by new conversations or tasks. For those of you whose accounts utilize the unified agent statuses, you'll notice additional options like Away, among others. These statuses provide more granular control over your availability. For example, Away might be appropriate if you're stepping away from your desk for a short period but do intend to return shortly. Be mindful to select the status that best reflects your availability to keep communication clear and efficient with your team. It's helpful to keep in mind that these changes impact how your availability will be perceived across Zendesk's suite of tools. So, once you've changed your status, it will be reflected in your accessibility for messaging, chat, and support tickets. If you're utilizing Zendesk's voice capabilities, your status will also influence whether you'll receive or handle voice interactions. Now, why is this important? Setting the proper status helps ensure that you're not overwhelmed with tasks when you're not ready, and it allows for better queue management for your team. Additionally, it sets clear expectations for your customers regarding when they can expect assistance. Remember, regularly checking and updating your status is a great habit to develop as part of your daily routine. This way, you maintain a steady workflow and contribute to a smooth operational environment for yourself and your colleagues. Don't forget, communication is critical, and your status is a key part of that process. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of how to manage your status in Zendesk. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to reach out to your support team. Happy Zendesking!